Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, in yesterday class, you studied about balloon games and you studied a lot of methods. Okay, in today's class, we are going to see about what is snake and rat game. Okay, let us see what is snake and rat game. You all know what is snake, what is rat. Okay, here in snake and rat game, you have snake in that wild environment, and also you have rat in the wild environment. The theme of the game is snake has to eat the rat. Okay, when the snake eats the rat will die. But before snake eat the rat has to eat all the apples and also some of the ant. This is our theme. Okay, let us see how to play this game. Okay. See here, whenever okay, suppose when the snake eat rat, the game will over. Okay, but when the rat eat minimum 10 apples and some of the ant, okay, we will end the game with and also indicate the score above the screen. Okay, let us see how to play once again. You will understand what I am saying. See here, now the rat eat. And see, now the game is over. Okay, so we have to score up to 15 points. Okay, when you reach the score 15 points, your game will be over. Okay, before snake bite the rat, you go to score up to 15 points. This is our game motto. Okay, now you understand what is the game we are going to develop now. Okay, shall I start now? Okay, how to create this game? The first step, you have to know what are all the objects we are going to use in our world environment. Okay, here how many objects we are using? See here, rat, snake, apple, ant, okay, and also counter. Okay, so how many actors we are using? 5 actors we are using. Okay, by the actions are going to happen between these 5 actors. Okay, the interactions are going to happen between these 5 actors. Okay, what is the snake doing here? Snake move in the wild environment and also turn randomly. Then whenever the edge come, the snake turn automatically. Then the snake try to eat rat. Okay, these are all the action snake going to perform. Okay, so these are you must know what are the action performed by snake. Okay, snake performed move action, then it perform turn randomly, then it perform turn a touch. Whenever the edge comes, it turn and also try to eat rat. Okay, so let us create one new scenario. Okay, snake rat game. Snake rat game. Okay, this is our new scenario. First step, I'm going to create the snake class. Okay, you got to give the name snake. In the animal, you got to choose snake. This snake I am choosing now. Okay, after that, we have to click. I am putting 2 snake. If you can able to play well, you can put 3 snake also. Okay, remember you got to save the world always. Otherwise, what will happen? if you not save the world, okay, whatever you drag in the inside the window environment will disappear. Okay, so you have to always remember, you go to then and there, you go to save the world. Okay, then next step, let us create all the act. Okay, then what's the next actor? Rat. How to create? Where is the rat? Here. Rat. Okay, who is the hero? Rat is the hero. Okay, there is only one rat, but there is a n number of snake, n number of apples, n number of ant, and put a number of apple and snake, but the hero is only one. Okay, who is the hero? Rat is the hero. Okay, next you go to create ant. This ant, okay, I forgot to say the world. So what will happen? So what happen? Images are disappeared from the Windows screen. Okay, so finally you'll say you need to drag and drop the image. Before that, we will create all the actor first. Okay, after that we can save the world. Then and rat, snake. After that, we have to create apple. Okay, then final one is counter. How to add counter? Edit, import class. In the yesterday class, ma'am told how to a counter. I think all of you know that. Okay, select the counter here, then click OK button. Okay, so now all the 5 objects appear here. Okay, then go to move the rat, then create and then apple. Okay, you can create a number of apple. Okay, after that you go to place the counter. Place the counter here. Okay, if you want, you can set some background also. Go to set background, set image. Okay, background, give some light color, this one. Okay, okay, save the world. Okay, the background will appear in the world environment. Now you run the button, what will happen? Nothing will happen because we didn't put any code in it. Okay, so first step, you have to create the action for snake. Okay, what are the actions snake has to do? Snake has to perform, move from one place to another place. Then whenever the edge comes, it has to turn, and also it has to move randomly. Okay, and also it has to eat rat. Okay, so for that you have to create a code. How to create the code? Snake. Okay, and the code screen will appear here. Here you go to first action of snake is move. Then random turn. Okay, move random turn. Then edge, turn at edge. Okay, after that After that, what? Try to eat rat. Okay, these are all the 4 actions: random tan, tan at edge, try to eat rat. Okay, this 4 action snake going to perform. Okay, you see here, for move method there is no error is coming here, but for remaining methods the error is showing. Okay, why? Because move is a built-in method. Okay, but these are all user defined method: random, tan and you have to create the code for this method. Okay, still now we didn't create any code for this method. Okay, so now we are going to create the code for all those methods. Okay, random tan, how to tan randomly. How to tan randomly? Okay, ma'am told how to tan randomly in the yesterday class. For we have to use get random number method. Okay, in the get random number method, when you put number here, the number will generate from 100. Okay, 1 to 100 automatically. Okay, it may create any number. Okay, within that range. And also here I am putting less than 10 means that there is 10% probability. Okay, if you want to give 20% probability for tan, you can give 20 here. 30% means you have to give 30. Okay, like that. I am putting inside the if condition. I am using this statement: green food dot get random number. Okay, suppose this statement is random number, some number is generated. Okay, if the condition is true, what will happen? 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20 means what? Less than 10 means for only for 10% probability. Okay, over 10% probability it will tan. Okay, that number may here we are using get random number again. So from 0 to 40, what will happen? It may generate any number. Okay, sometimes 20 minus 20 means tan 0, no tan. Then 30 minus 20 means what? 10. So tan 10. Okay, sometimes 35 minus 20. Okay, like that happen. Okay, it may generate random number. So only it is called as a get random number. By using this method, okay, I am going to tan our object snake only. Okay, so random tan method is over. Okay, let us check the code first. Okay, whether it is working or not. Okay, remember, whenever you put one method inside the code, you have to check it first. Okay, whether it is working, because if you put all the code and it's and check the test the code, what will happen? It may create a number of errors. So it will be very difficult for clearing the errors. Okay, instead of that, you can put one method first and compile it and test the code. Okay, whether it is working or not. Now our snake is moving, isn't it? Randomly, it is whenever a tan comes, it not. Okay, for that, what we have to do? Apply that tan. Whenever the edge come, okay, it has to tan. Okay, for that I am using tan at edge method. In that method, what I am going to do? At valid edge. At valid edge means whenever the object reaches the edge point. See here, get x less than 10, get x greater than get val dot get with minus 10 means what happen? Whenever it reaches the edge, okay, whenever it reaches the left side edge or right side edge, okay, so it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So whenever the object go near to the edge, okay, it returns true if at valid edge. At valid edge return true, isn't it? Because the return type of this method is Boolean. Okay, so if at valid edge means what? On the edge ஓரத்துல அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் போயிருந்ததுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? Whenever the object reaches the edge part, okay, we are applied tan method. So, okay, now we understand what is this method. Okay, now by putting this method inside the snake, in the snake class, where I put here. See here. So now we created tan at edge method. Whenever the snake reaches the edge part, okay, edge point, tan. Okay, let us see whether it is working or not. Compile it, close it. Whenever see here, the snake is moving now. Whenever the edge comes, it tan automatically. So now, how many actions we completed? Now the snake is moving, tan randomly also with 10% probability. I move the snake. Whenever the edge comes, it tan also. Okay, but what it doesn't perform. It doesn't eat that rat. For that, what you have to do? Whenever the snake object interact with the rat object, you go to perform. Okay, you go to eat that rat. For that, we are using the method. We already studied about that method. Did you know that? Which method? Get one object at offset. Okay, by using this method only, get one object at offset. What this method is doing? The mouth. What is the difference between get one intersection object and get one object at offset method? This method exactly whenever the mouth part of the rat, mouth part of the snake touch the rat, only the will be disappear from the web. Okay, for that we are using get one object at offset. Okay, see here how to eat the rat. Here try to eat method. Okay, this is the method try to eat method. In this method, whenever the snake No, sorry. Once again, I will repeat. For sound, okay, you have to add all these files, okay. Game over, okay. Game over is one of the sound file. I have added in that. Okay, I have added here, okay. So this file you have to add in the sound folder, okay, which is available in your project folder. Okay, next step, I am creating the code for RAT. Okay, performing 3 actions, move, okay, and whenever we press the key, RAT has to move. Then RAT has to eat apple as well as and. Okay, these are all the things. First, these are all the things RAT going to perform. First I am performing check keys. Okay, first I am doing check key. How to perform check key? Okay, whenever we press the left arrow button, it has to turn left. Whenever I click the right arrow button, it has to turn right. Okay, so that I put the turn method. I have used turn method here. Okay, after that it will eat apple and ant. Okay, apple and ant. How to eat apple and ant? Eat method. Okay, if I see the apple, okay, it has to eat the apple. Okay, then if I see the ant, it has to eat the ant. Okay, and here I am also using the counter. Why I am using counter? When I am eating the apple, count value increase to 1. Suppose when I am eating the ant, count value increase to 5. So to eat the ant, I am giving more points. Okay, and compared with the apple. And also, if count value reach 50 in the game, this is you have seen already in the previous class. Okay, how to use counter and how to increase the counter. For counter, we have add method. Okay, so by using this add method, you can increase the count value. Okay, can see. Okay, actually we have in the Snake class itself we have created can see method. Okay, so now we are going to use that same method. Okay, you just copy from the Snake class and put it here. Okay, in the Snake class we have can see method and eat method. Okay, can see method, whenever we see the object, okay, it return true value, true or false value. Okay, when the object is not available, false value. When the object is available, it return true value. And eat method is used to eat the particular object. Okay, I'm putting here. Okay, then it asking counter. Okay, it's showing the error in the counter. Okay, how to rectify that error? For that, you have to create the counter object. Counter equal to new counter. Okay, just declaration itself. Okay, no need to create instance. Here I create the counter. Okay, but if it's new one, so error in get new and game over. Instead of game over, you can use greenfoot dot stop method. Okay, after that, showing error in where. Okay, create. Okay, so man has to create automatically. For how to randomly. Okay, see here in the world environment. Okay, I have create the and. Okay, new and for by using get random number method. Okay, in the get random number method, I have in the and automatically. Okay, create new and we have created two ands first. So once the eat the and object, okay, another one and will be created. Okay, go to put the code. Okay, see here in the create new and method, what is happening? I'm creating the new and, okay, in the valid environment using the get random number method. Okay, and add that object. Okay, see here, compile program. It's showing some error. Could not find file game over dot wave. Final exception. Game over dot wave. See here, try to get okay, counter dot get value. See, the counter, add counter where we have added counter in the valid environment. Counter is present in the valid environment only. We are not reference rat, okay, rat object. So we go to in the valid, from the valid you go to you reference rat object. Then only rat knows the counter and gives whenever the rat eat the apple, the counter value is to one value. Okay, for that you go to points to the rat object. Okay, how to do that? Here we are having the counter here. Okay, for your understanding, I'm putting here. I have created counter. Here we are having rat. Okay, in the rat, I am passing counter object. Okay, I am passing counter object. Compare. Beautiful.
Santosh is coming. So,
உங்க லேப்டாப்ல என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்?
அது கனெக்ட்ல தான் இருக்குது.
இப்படி மட்டும் யார் ஹெச்டி கால் பண்ணுங்க. கால் பண்ணுங்க, முக்கியம் இல்லை. presenting ஆகுது. ஓகேங்க. பேஸ் தெரியுது வருதா? Okay, finally so when we reach the value, okay, 15, we go to stop the green foot game. Okay, for that I have added green counter dot get value equal to 15 green foot dot stop. Okay, just close it. Okay, reset it, run. See here, sorry, unable to win the game. Okay, when I put equal to 15 means when you reach the value exactly 15 only, it will stop the game. Okay, suppose we want to stop the game whenever it goes above 15. Okay, for that you got to put greater than or 15. Okay, greater than 15. Okay, game must stop. Okay, for that see here, because for eating apple I have given 1 point, for eating and I have given 5 points, so totally it goes above 15 point and you win the game. Okay, now you understand the game flow. Okay, so okay, once again I am repeat. Okay, repeat in Tamil. Okay, இதுல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா ஸ்னேக் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, மூவ் பண்ணுது, டேன் ரேண்டமா டேன் பண்ணுது, எட்ஜ் வந்ததுன்னா திரும்புது, ரேட்டை வந்து ஹிட் பண்ணுது. ஓகேங்களா, அதுக்கு இந்த கெட் ரேண்டம் நம்பர் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், ஸ்னேக்ல உள்ள அந்த டேன் பண்றதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ரேண்டமா டேன் பண்ணதும், எட்ஜ் வந்ததுன்னா திரும்புறதுக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், அட் வேல்யூ எட்ஜுங்கிற மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணி அந்த வெஜ் பூலியன் வேல்யூ ரிட்டர்ன், ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ் வேல்யூ ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும். எட்ஜ் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது என்ன பண்ணும், டேன் ஆகும். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணும், ஸ்னேக் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், ஸ்னேக் வந்து ரேட் பார்த்ததுன்னா ஈட் பண்ணும். அதுக்கு வந்து நம்ம கேன்சிங்கிற மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். கேன்சி மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், அந்த அட் கெட் ஒன் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அட் ஆப்செட்டுங்கிற மெத்தட் மூலமா அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து ஸ்னேக்குங்கிற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து ரேட்டை இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணுதுன்னா அது வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், ரேட்டை வந்து ஈட் பண்ணும். ஓகே ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ரேட் ஆக்ஷன். ரேட் ஆக்ஷன் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, மூவ் பண்ணுது. நம்ம கீ ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணும்போது ரேட் மூவ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ரேட் வந்து எதெல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணணும், ஆப்பிளை ஹிட் பண்ணணும், ஆண்டை ஹிட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா, செக் கீஸ் வந்து நம்ம இஸ் கீ டவுன் மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணி லெஃப்ட் அண்ட் ரைட் அப் அண்ட் டவுன் கீரோ ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணும்போது டேன் வந்து மூவ் பண்ண மாதிரி வச்சிருக்கோம். ஹிட் அண்ட் ஆப்பிள், அண்ட் ஆப்பிள் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம், ஆப்பிள் இருந்ததுன்னா ஹிட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா, அது மாதிரி ஆண்ட் இருந்ததாலும் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஆண்டை பார்த்துச்சுன்னா ஹிட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேங்களா, அதுல பிளே சவுண்டுங்கிற மெத்தட் வச்சிருக்கோம். இந்த ஆண்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், கிரியேட் நியூ ஆண்டுங்கிறது ஒன்று கொடுத்துருவோம். ஒன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு ஆண்டை ஹிட் பண்ணுச்சுன்னா இன்னொரு ஆண்டு வரணும். அப்படிதானே, அதுக்கு தான் இப்போ பாருங்க. ஓகேங்களா, ஒரு ஆண்டு வந்து ஒரு ஆண்டை ஹிட் பண்ணோம்னா என்ன ஆயிரும், புது ஆண்டு வரணுங்கிறக்காண்டி நான் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஓகேங்களா, அதனால என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன், இதுக்குள்ள கேன்சிங்கிற மெத்தடுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆண்டை ஹிட் பண்ணோடனே இன்னொரு ஆண்டு கிரியேட் பண்ற மாதிரி வச்சிருக்கேன். அது போக கவுண்டருங்கிற ஒரு வேல்யூ யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். கவுண்டருங்கிறதுல என்ன பண்ணிருப்போம், கவுண்டர் வந்து வேல்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல போட்டிருக்கிறதுனால என்ன பண்ணிடணும், ரேட் கிளாஸ்ல வந்து கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் கிரியேட் பண்ணி, ஓகேங்களா, அந்த கவுண்டருக்கு நம்ம ரெஃபரன்ஸ் கொடுத்துக்கணும். ஓகே, கொடுத்தோம்னா என்ன ஆயிரும், கவுண்டர்ல நீங்க வந்து எப்பவுமே அந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ஆட் ஆயிரும். ஆட் ஆகி அந்த வேல்ட் என்வரான்மெண்ட்ல உங்களுக்கு விசிபிள் ஆகும். வேல்ட் என்வரான்மெண்ட் வந்து இந்த வேல்யூ வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகுறது வந்து விசிபிள் ஆகும். அதனாலதான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், வேல்ட் கிளாஸ்லயே என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், வேல்ட் கிளாஸே ரேட்டோட கவுண்டரோட ரெஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து ரேட்டுக்கு வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணிடும். ஓகேங்களா, அது பாஸ் பண்ணாதான் ஒர்க் ஆகும். இல்லாட்டினா அப்படி எரர் காமிக்கும். ஒரு எரர் காமிக்கும் போது ஸ்ட்ரக் ஆச்சு பார்த்தீங்களா, ஸ்ட்ரக் ஆகும்போது நம்ம கூகுள் மீட்ல கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ அதோட தான் நிப்பாட்டிருந்தோம். இப்போ அதோட கண்டினியூஷன். ஓகேங்களா, கவுண்டர் நம்ம இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணணும். வேல்ட்ல இருந்து எதுக்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணணும், ரேட்டுங்கிற கிளாஸ்க்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணாதான் நம்ம அந்த கவுண்டர் வந்து ரேட் வந்து ஆப்பிளையும் ஆண்டையும் ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த வேல்யூ வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அது மாதிரி சவுண்ட் ஃபைல் ஆட் பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், எந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் நம்ம எதில் கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோமோ அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்ல வந்து அந்த வேவ் ஃபைலை வந்து சவுண்ட்ஸ்ங்கிற ஃபோல்டருக்குள்ள போடணும். ஓகே, எனி டவுட்? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Sorry for the interruption due to some network problem. Okay, the interruption happened. But sir, you know this method. How we can know that method, sir? You may ask some questions like that. Okay, for that you no need to worry about that. In that, suppose if you want to know the methods which is available in Greenfoot, okay, just click actor, double click the actor button. You can see the classes available in the Greenfoot. Okay, here you see here in the Greenfoot class, okay, we have method like get random number is key down mouse clicked. Okay, very few methods only available, so you can learn Greenfoot game development very easily. Okay, like that if you want to know the actor class method, okay, you just double click the actor. Okay, just click the actor and you can see the methods available in the actor. Okay, get one object get one intersecting object, get one object at offset. Okay, all those methods you can get x, get y, okay, set rotation. Okay, from this method only we have to teach you, okay, how to do perform this method. Okay, world class. Okay, in the world class, what are all the method available? Okay, add object, remove object. Okay, you can add the object in the world, you can remove the object in the world. Okay, so the API documentation is available in the Greenfoot software itself. So you can no need to search the internet and find the method and put it inside the your code. Okay, inside the your code window. It is not necessary. Okay, you can easily find the method and what is the action performed by method in the Greenfoot API. Okay, in the help environment. Okay, in the help button you can see everything in the inside the Greenfoot. Okay, so you can easily learn the Greenfoot, and also it is very useful for learning object oriented programming. Okay, so it is very helpful for your future. Once you learn the Greenfoot software, okay, how to use the Greenfoot, how to create a game by using Greenfoot software, okay, you can learn easily. Okay, any other doubt? So we will post the feedback later. Okay, kindly fill the feedback form. Okay, then only you will get the certificate. Okay, please chat with me if you have any doubt. Today evening 4 o'clock we will post the feedback. Okay, kindly fill the feedback form. Okay, then only we will get the certificate. Okay, any other doubt? Yes, you can play the game in mobile also, because all the mobiles are supporting Javas nowadays. Okay, you can if you want to do it in the Android mobile, you can just in the Android, you open Android Studio. Okay, and you can import that API, Greenfoot API, and you can use that same API in the Android also. You can do it with the laptop plus mobile also. You can create the game both laptop and Android. In iOS can create, because the Greenfoot API it's open source. You can download from the internet and you can use it anywhere. Any other doubt? So it is not a complex one. Actually, Java programmers are doing the code manually every time, isn't it? See here in the my world, if you want to create object, you have to create snake to new snake. Every time you have to type the code, but here it creates the code automatically. Okay, it is very user friendly. I think it is very user friendly. So you can learn code easily. You learn how to code, okay? You learn how to do object-oriented programming. Everything you can learn once you learn the Greenfoot game development. And also you can learn with fun. So it is very useful. Now you understand how to create a game. Please chat me what about the today's session, because during the program some interrupt happened due to the network issues. Okay, other than that, did you have any problem? If you want to repeat it, I will repeat it once again also. Please chat. Give me your feedback in the chat window. Okay, shall I end the session? My overall feedback. Okay, don't forget today evening 4 o'clock we will post the feedback form. Kindly fill that feedback form, then only you will get a certificate. Okay. And definitely we will send all the PPTs in your WhatsApp group. Also there is a YouTube stream video also available. So if you have any doubt, we will send that stream link to your WhatsApp group. You can open that video whenever you have time. Okay, if you have any doubt in that session, you can watch that video later also. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.